Now he's cranky, and now he's mad. He likes to be tickled. Kieran likes to be tickled. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's coming to get you. The tickle monster's coming to get you. What it is? You like to be tickled? You have all kinds of tickle spots, don't you? How about your feetsies? Are they ticklish? Tickle, 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 tickle. It's coming to get you. Uh-oh, no hand in your mouth, mister. You're getting really good at thumb sucking. Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Bye. Say bye.